Hello students, today we will complete the book work of lesson first, page number 9. This is a short passage of comprehension. You have to read this passage and answer the following questions related to it. Not many of us know how to brush our teeth properly. Proper brushing takes at least 2 minutes twice a day. Brushing should be gentle. Use small headed toothbrush because it can reach all the areas of mouth. You must clean the outer surface of your upper teeth and then your lower teeth. You must clean the inner surfaces of your upper teeth and then your lower teeth. Also clean the chewing surface. You must not forget to brush your tongue too. Brushing of tongue removes bacteria and freshens the breath. You must replace your toothbrush every 3 months. You must also change your toothbrush if you have had a cold or any other form of mouth infection. It is because the bristles can collect germs that can lead to the same infection once again. So students, here is the passage and answers are given in this passage of the related questions that are in activity second. So you have to read the passage and answer the question. After completing the questions, you have to only tick according to the line which is given in the passage. You have to tick A answer है B 3 C 4. ठीक है, you have only tick answer. Here brushing must be done at least. How many times we should brush our teeth? It is the given there the second line. So complete this comprehension yourself and send me back. Students, you will not complete the activity 12th. ਅਸੀਂ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ 11th ਸੌਰੀ ਇਹ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਆ ਨਹੀਂ ਕਰਨੀ. ਨੈਕਸਟ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ ਹੈ ਸਪੀਕ ਆਊਟ ਸਮ ਲਾਈਨਸ ਅਬਾਊਟ ਦਾ ਕਾਊ ਐਂਡ ਹੇਅਰ ਆਰ pointing words. You need to pointing words fill in these blanks and you can speak out these lines yourself. ਇਹ ਹੈਲਪਿੰਗ ਬਾਕਸ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਹੋਇਆ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ 13 ਦਾ. ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਕਟੀਵਿਟੀ 12 ਦਾ ਜਿਹੜਾ ਹੈਲਪ ਬਾਕਸ ਆ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਇਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਫਿਲ ਕਰਨਾ ਤੇ ਉਸ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਆ ਜਿਹੜੀ ਪਿਕ ਮੈਨੂੰ ਸੈਂਡ ਕਰਨੀ ਆ. ਠੀਕ ਹੈ, ਇੱਕ ਤਾਂ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਕੰਪਰੀਹੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਕਰਨਾ, ਕੰਪਲੀਟ ਦਾ ਕੰਪਰੀਹੈਂਸ਼ਨ ਐਂਡ complete activity 30. You have to complete both the activities and send the pics me back.